Bookish Friday video. So today we have my November Fairyloot box. The subscriptions are currently closed, but they do have a waiting list. So if you would like to put your name on the waiting list for a future subscription, all the information will be for you down below. So yeah, let's have a look and see what I got. So the theme this month was enemies to lovers, and I really like that artwork there. Very gangster, kind of 1920s flapper girl style. So yeah, really like that. Now this first item, when I pulled it out, and if anyone from Fairyloot is watching, go back to the purple wormies please, because that stuff that you sent in the November box and the October box, no good. It gets over everything, and I had to really like brush it down, and because I'm asthmatic, it was catching in my throat as well from all the dust. It's not healthy. So yeah, please stop doing that. But anyway, onto the item. We have a tote bag, and it's kind of a smaller tote bag. It's not so big and deep as the normal ones. So I really like it, and it is Jude and Carden from The Cruel Prince inspired. So yeah, I'm really liking that. I'm loving her butterfly dress. Really pretty. I love that. I love that so much. And it's big enough that I can put it over my shoulder and take it to Waterstones when they reopen and go buy my new books, or not. So yeah, great for nipping to the shop. I like a good tote bag for book shopping because they just carry more books. So yeah, that's the first item, and that is designed by Rosie Thorns 88. So, and as I say, it's from the Cruel Prince Folk of the Air series, written by Holly Black. This next item, oh, I forgot about the colour of this, and I've kind of colour coordinated my top with it. It is, and it's quite a large one, it's a scarf. It's a beautiful fabric scarf, and on it it says, come and gather, a story is about to begin. And that's a quote from Roseanne A. Brown. And I believe this is from the book from the book A Song of Race and Ruin. Bookish scarf designed by the talented Jez Hawke, features a quote from A Song of Race and Ruin by Roseanne A. Brown. So yeah, beautiful scarf. We have had one of these before that was inspired by A Court of Thorns and Roses, and I actually really like it. I do, I really like it. But then, as with the other one, I kind of then forget about it after I've liked it so much. I forget about it because I don't wear scarves very often. But yeah, I think I might just leave this one on, because I quite like it. It's very pretty, very pretty. The next item is a scrunchie, but it's one with like tassels on it. So I don't know if I can get away with that at the age of 40. I forgot, I just had a birthday. I mean, it seems to have like scriptive writing on it, so I don't know where the quote is from. Let's have a look. A bookish scrunchie featuring a beautiful quote from Shatter Me by Tahara Mafi, and it just doesn't say who designed it at all, just a scrunchie. I mean, I like scrunchies. Let me see if I can I take off that bit? Ha! I can. It comes apart. So I'll use that scrunchie, and then what are you? Oh, you become a really nice square handkerchief. So yes, that's good then, because I probably wouldn't have used it with the tassel. So if you've got this as well and you're thinking, well, I'd use a scrunchie but not with the tassel, it comes apart. That's good, because now I'll use this and God knows what I'll do with this. Use it to clean my glasses, maybe. It's a nice silk. So yeah, there's that. I'll put you down there. The next item is a weird item, but awesome. So it looks like this, and it does this. So, how does it go? How does it go again? It goes like that. So, any guesses what it is? Because I didn't have a clue when I first got it. And then I read the card, and it says that this is a bag hanger. So you put this bit onto the table, and if it's a metal table it will magnetise because the back of it is a magnet, and then you hook your handbag on here. How cool is that? So this is inspired by The Wrath and the Dawn by Renee Adier, and this little item is designed by Tara Jar. So yeah, not sure if I will use it. I will put it in my handbag for sure, but not sure if I will use it. But yes, it's a handy little thing. If it's small enough, compact enough, you can stick it in your handbag and use it if you remember it. But there you go. This next item is, again, I don't know how to use it, but anyway, it is an Angel Fall inspired sticky screen cleaner designed by Tara Jar. So it looks like that. Let me see if I can get it out. It just says bookish design by Tara Jar, inspired by Angel Fall by Susan E. It's got like a sticky back, so it's sticky at the back. I don't know. Are you clean yet? No, I don't. I doubt very much I'll use this, to be honest. I wish it was just like a normal like cloth or something. I might have used that then. But hey, I've got the other part of my scrunchie I can use, so win-win. So that's that. And then the next item, we've got some bookmarks, and they are foiled, so they look like that. So we have Juliet on this side, and we have Roma on this side, and I believe this bookmark is inspired by the book that is in the box. Then we have Lou and Reed, and that is inspired by Serpent and Dove by Shelby Mahurin. Then we have Feyre and Rhysand, and that is obviously inspired by A Court of Thorns and Roses by Sarah J. Maas. And then the last one is Megan and Ash, and this one is inspired by the Iron Fae series by Julia Kagawa. I have not read that, but it is a series that I am definitely interested, especially with the new reprint front covers. So yes, they are on my wish list. I would like them very much, please. I'm hoping my husband's going to watch this and know what to buy me for Christmas. So yeah, there's all of those. They're kind of like modern day sort of, the kids of today kind of style. Not sure if they're my style, but they're cool. They're fine. I like bookmarks. Okay, so moving on to the next items are the two carotards. Nope, that's the wrong way around. Tarot cards, and they're continuing from House of Earth and Blood from Crescent City by Sarah J. Maas. So we have the Page of Swords and we have the Knight of Swords. Now, I know this character, but for the life of me, her name has completely escaped me. But if you've read House of Earth and Blood by Sarah J. Maas, It's so sweet. She's so pretty. And I think this might be Danica's brother. But again, his name escapes me. But I like his tattoos. Yes. No, not Danica's brother. Bryce's brother, because he's an elf. He's got pointy ears. Oh, my asthma's playing up. He's got pointy ears, so I think he's Bryce's brother. But for the life of me, I can't remember his name. I'm useless with names. I forget my own sometimes. So that's that. And then now we're down to the book. So I just dropped a box. So now we're down to the book. And it's quite a big book because it's really taking up the whole of the bag. So let's get out all the goodies. So we have our Fairyloot bookmark that we get every month that matches the spoiler card. So there you go. Then we have the Fairy Scoop, which has an interview with the author inside. And then also on the back we have next month's theme, which is December, and it will be Thick as Thieves. So expect items inspired by The Hobbit, I have read. Throne of Glass, I have read. Children of Blood and Bone, oh, be still my beating hearts, one of my new favourites. And The Raven Boys. Charlotte, do you want that item? Thrilled to reveal the box will include the next secret book by November Fairyloot. That's 4 we'll have had now. There's only so many secret books I need, because if I'm putting them on my shelves, then I have less room for actual books. So, I don't know. That may be going into a giveaway. And then also the box will include a calendar for 2021 with beautiful character artwork for each month by Dominique Wesson, and it will include multiple fandoms. The featured book of December is filled with fae, sinister sorcery and gallows humour. A ragtag crew of reluctant heroes has to take on a world-ending fae prophecy and a malicious royal plot. The Fairyloot exclusive edition will have shimmery sprayed edges, artwork on the reverse of the dust jacket, a foil design on the hardcover and signed end papers. So yes, looking forward to that one. Also in here we have a deleted chapter, and I'm only going to show you the back because it spoils the title of the book. And it says, the year is 1926 and Shanghai hums to the tune of debauchery. So, and that is an annotated chapter, by the author. So that'll be interesting to read. We also as well have this beautiful artwork here with the author's letter on the other side. Yeah, she just says that she wants you to get lost in this world and enjoy. So yes, because that's what she used to do when she was a kid. Used to get lost in stories. So the book of the month has pink sprayed edges, and it is These Violent Delights by Chloe Gong. So that is it. So we have like a rose gold dragon spiraling around a sword with some white roses. Very pretty artwork, very, very pretty artwork. And as I say, we have pink sprayed edges. We do have a signed book plate, but also if you look on the title page, there's also a signature here as well. No pretty end papers, but that's fine. It is just a plain black. I think this was the one that was supposed to have had foiling on the hardcover, but like a foil design, but they missed it. And then you've got these Violent Delights on the spine in a bright pink. So that's pretty. And then we have artwork. So this is the artwork here. So yeah, it's definitely a flapper girl gangster kind of style story. I really like the reds and the yellows actually. And this is the author. So yes, she's an undergraduate at University of Pennsylvania, studying English and International Relations. Born in Shanghai, raised in Auckland, New Zealand. She now lives at the top of a crumbling ivory tower in Philadelphia, also known as student housing. I like that. After devouring her entire YA section of her local library, she started writing her own novels at age 13 to keep herself entertained, and has been highly entertained ever since. These Violent Delights is her debut novel, so that's good to know. Bless her. I kind of did the same thing when I was a kid. I just started writing my own stories. I just never got around to actually publishing any. I did a lot of poetry when I was a kid. I thought about possibly releasing a poetry book. But anyway, so that is the book of the month. It's really pretty. I do like it. Yeah. I would have liked a red cover though. We haven't had a red cover in a while. But yeah, so that is the Fairyloot unboxing for November. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe. And I'm going to get a drink to help my throat. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!